Yeah, there is something that I've been doing most people don't know, and they even up to now they don't believe like how I always do it. But I always focus on doing something that is very simple, elegant, and unique. So those are the things that I always focus on mostly, is to do something that is unique, simple, and very elegant. And for that one is always well, it's natural hair, makeup, and most of the things. I always want my thing to be as simple as possible. So I'm going to be showing you another thing that I created. Surprisingly, you'll be shocked on how it came out, and I'm also still shocked. So let's first see the video.
Morris, the Crochet Master.
Alright, yes, happy new year. You're most welcome to Morris, the Crochet Master. Yes, and I work at Hair by Clippers. Those ones who would always want to see me, you can always come at Hair by Clippers, and we do some good hair for you. Very simple, unique, and comfortable for and very protective for your weak hairlines. So today we are just going to look at something that is very elegant, very nice, simple, and still unique. Because if you have ever seen this before, trust me, if you have ever seen it, you will tell me. Just straight to my comment section, tell me if you have ever seen it anywhere, because most of the times I always do things from my head, and that's why it is Morris the Crochet Master, and I do it my way. So mostly when we are going to style one, we always we have to focus on how is the head shape of our client, and then we focus on the forehead, the head shape, the forehead, and like mostly the hairline. Like if you have bad hairline, or maybe the hairline had broken, sometimes it gives us a hard time when it comes to styling. But now when you have good hairline, and for that one we just have to focus on the head shape, so that we can see how it goes. If you try to remember to those videos that I've been uploading, I've been telling you that mostly those ones with short forehead, they can always look nice with a puff, or with a hair that goes behind, or even if it's something that is in a mohawk hairstyle, in a mohawk style, that one can always look good to those ones with forward head. But it's always very hard to do something that is on the side, like a sideway. That one is very hard for those ones. And sometimes I see some people doing the same thing, like those ones with short forehead, you find them doing the sideways, but yeah, it doesn't come out as nice as those ones with long forehead. Yes, the person with those people with long forehead will always look good with the sideway. Yes, and most probably, like those ones with long forehead, they can always do most of those hairstyles, going behind, sideways, and even a mohawk. Yes, they can always look good. So now if you try to look at her hairline, maybe, and the head shape is always, it is fine. If you try to see the corners, all the hair, the hair is full. Yes, there's no broken hairline, I would say, and her hair is very strong. It has that volume, so it is very nice when it comes to the styling. So sometimes it is always very hard for people, like if you're going to have a wedding, like if it's your day, and you find a hairstylist is holding you a puff. Most of the times they feel sometimes they start feeling uncomfortable, or they start getting scared, like maybe how is it going to come out. But I'm glad that even when I was holding her hair this puff, she was scared. I could see it in the mirror, like maybe she was thinking, how is it going to come out? But most of the times when I'm doing my thing, I always focus on what I feel inside me, and that's why I do it my way. So whenever I'm doing it my way, I feel something in my head and I know how it is going to look, then I just do it. The problem that comes is when like maybe our clients also don't give us that chance to express our creativity on them, so that we can bring something that is unique and very, very elegant for them. Unique, simple, and very elegant. So I always advise like my clients most of the times that at least they just have to tell me what they want. Maybe for me, when you tell me I would like my face to come out, or maybe I just want like maybe something on the side or something going behind, yes, I can pick from that idea, or maybe we talk about it and see if it can work for us. So after holding all that path, there is something most people always ask me is about the white atoms that they always find when they're using the eco styling gel. But what I realize is that most of you use a lot of gel when adding when doing this hairstyle. But if you've been seeing, I didn't use a lot. I first held the hair without the gel. Then the gel, I just added it after, you understand? So if you're trying to do this hairstyle, try to make sure that when you're trying to use the eco styling gel, don't add a lot of eco gel. That's when the white atoms will always disappear. I always get that question, like people ask me why mine don't bring doesn't dissolve that white atoms after the eco styling gel. So my client started getting she started feeling the hairstyle after when I brought these these extensions and I started adding. Then that's when she started feeling something is coming, and yet after doing everything, she liked the work, as you're going to be saying. So these are the people who always want something that is unique, simple, and nice. That's why even you're going to see the makeup was so very simple for her. She didn't want to exaggerate it with the eyelashes, the contouring. I just don't know how it is, but after it all, you're just going to tell me what you think about this hairstyle and how we did it. Just run straight to my comment section and tell me what you think about it. So to those ones who would ask, the extension that I use, it was the Havana curl, or you can use the Freedom curl. You just untwist it, but then you just add it on top. But mostly you just have to observe the hair. If the hair is like off black, still you have to get the extension that is off black so that it can always match. So this is what I got for you. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. I always want to do simple, unique, elegant things, and this is it. Bye bye. See you in my next video.